If you have oily skin, you should use a gentle cleanser to remove and limit excess sebum. If you deal with dry skin, you should keep your skin hydrated to avoid breakouts. What about the skin types that fall right in the middle? You probably guessed it. Today, we're talking about combination skin. Hello everyone and welcome back to Beauty Talks. On this show, we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order for you to perfect your routine and get a healthy, radiant complexion. Today's episode will center around combination skin. As we did for dry and oily skin in previous videos, we'll start by understanding what combination skin actually is, what causes it, and how to deal with it. I've also included a routine specifically for combination skin and paired it up with a few product recommendations so you have a better understanding of what to get next time you're going shopping. So, if you have combination skin and are ready to get a complete guide on your skin type, keep watching. Understanding combination skin. We know that when you have oily skin, your skin appears shiny and somewhat greasy. When you have dry skin, it appears flaky, red, and sometimes irritated. So, what about combination skin? Well, exactly what the name indicates. A combination between dry and oily. The skin appears dry on the cheek areas and oily on the chin, nose, and forehead. This area is commonly known as the T-zone. What causes combination skin? A variety of factors contribute to combination skin. Most often, it's caused by genetics, but other factors like seasonal change or even skincare products that aren't specific for your skin type can subject the skin to irritation and excess sebum secretion. How can you deal with combination skin? Now, let's go over a simple routine that is optimal for combination skin. Use a gentle cleanser. Start with a gentle water-soluble cleanser like the Pro White soap. This creamy, foamy soap is packed in egg yolk and shea butter, natural ingredients that can effectively help remove impurities, debris, and makeup without leaving the skin feeling tight or greasy. Add exfoliation to your skincare routine. Whatever your skin type, you need to add a gentle exfoliator once or twice a week to get rid of those pesky dead skin cells, allowing for newer cells to form. Try the White Secret Exfoliating Soap. It contains an amazing combination of vitamin C and E to keep your skin expertly hydrated and nourished, while optimizing cell renewal for a more youthful look. Include a toner. A toner can help remove excess oil that your cleanser didn't remove and balance your skin's pH level. Opt for an alcohol-free toner to eliminate the risk of skin irritation. Mask up. Once a week, give yourself a quick pampering by applying a hydrating or nourishing face mask. A face mask creates a protective film that traps in moisture and nutrients to better help nourish your skin. Something like the BB Clear Sheet Mask is a great way to hydrate and give your skin a boost in nutrients. It promotes deep product absorption while also providing a radiant, smooth skin texture. Try a brightening serum. A healthy skin barrier is crucial for healthy-looking skin. To achieve that, you'll need to apply a lightweight serum on a daily basis, like the BB Clear Vitamin C Serum. Its effective formula penetrates the skin's deepest layers. The serum will not only shield the skin from external aggressors, but will also eliminate excess sebum and improve skin texture. Nourish with a facial oil. Another way to keep your skin barrier healthy is by incorporating antioxidants. What better way than with facial oils? For combination skin, try steaming off oils that are comedogenic, meaning that they can clog pores. Instead, give the Elixir Light Oil a go. Rich in antioxidant properties, this oil protects your skin against aggressors and gives you a healthy glow. Hydrate to radiate. Back to the challenging part. The hardest part about creating a routine for combination skin is picking out a hydrator that will hydrate dry areas without overhydrating oily ones. The Luxury Avocado Cream is perfect for combination skin. Rich in avocado oil, this cream helps soothe dryness while also being lightweight on the skin, eliminating the possibility of greasy outbreaks. Its one-of-a-kind formula helps diminish redness and even out the complexion. That's it for today's video. I hope that this quick guide gave you a better understanding of your skin and that the step-by-step routine made it easier for you to know how and what products to use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!